All right.
Yeah, if you not evolve, you dissolve.
You dissolve. So me evolve. And me learn so much things and get to know so much things. And right now, trust me, see me here, firm, 64-year-old, going strong, healthy, eyesight up, everything up.
And you help a whole heap of people.
I help a whole heap of people, but God heal them because a God power.
Yeah.
When them come and say, you heal me, and I say, no, a God, we can't take a God blessing.
Yeah, because if them ever hear say you start heal people, you know.
No, man, me that heal people, man. The line long from me, so I know me can't sleep. Because if they want to rest someone, I was like, come on, time, you know, man can't stay, you can't give him time now. You're going to want to do all kind of things. So, no man can heal you but you. Yeah, it's you responsible for you. And the inner being is your inner voice, which is your God Almighty. The inner man, when you hear them say inner man, inner being, yeah, that's the cosmic energy. It speak through you. And it talk to you. So once you learn to be disciplined, stay focused, consistency is a word where you have to keep moving. And every day you have to deal with consistency. You know, talk about you're going to do this today, I'm going to do it tomorrow. No, it's an everyday living thing.
Yardstyle life.